Hey everyone, thanks for checking out our online course, Relieving Low Back Pain, Client Assessment and Participation. This one is one of my favorites because I get to show you really exactly how I work with my clients who are dealing with low back pain. We have the opportunity to share with you assessment techniques and manual therapy techniques that will include client participation in the process. So this is the opportunity to work with your clients in a way that gets them involved, gets them engaged on and off the table. So what we'll be doing is doing sacrum assessments and manual therapy techniques. The assessments and the techniques will happen on and off the table, either in standing or in sitting. For example, we will be using the Stork test to assess sacral dysfunction. And then we go into the lumbar assessment and manual therapy techniques. With the lumbar section, we're going to get really into the spinal mechanics to really understand what's happening with the lumbar vertebra, and then how we as body workers can work the tissue in order to help any possible lumbar vertebra dysfunctions. So you might be thinking, well, I'm pretty good at what I do. I already help my clients get out of back pain. Why would I need to take this course? Well, the things that we show you in this course are really very different and unique from any normal basic training. And one of the things that does is that it helps you to stand out from the crowd, from all the other body workers in the way that people have been trained to do body work in the kind of standard basic way. In this course, you learn, in essence, next level techniques, next level approach to relieving low back pain. Let me talk a little bit about client participation. And some of you might see all of these kind of flashy little clips on TikTok and Instagram where you see the practitioner do all of these fancy moves and it looks really cool on Instagram. All of these fancy moves that they're asking their clients to do. And one of the things that I've noticed also in my training as a movement practitioner is that there's a huge chasm between what we learn as far as movement exercises and what our clients are actually able to do. So what we really want, instead of having the client fit our way of working when it comes to movement, is to have our method fit the client and their abilities. So in this course, what we teach you are some really kind of basic movements. They're not flashy, but they are effective. And even at that level, it really makes you stand out from the crowd and stand out in the eyes of your client. Again, one of the things that's very important in whatever mode and whatever modality you practice is that you make sure that it fits the client instead of the other way around. When you stand out and do these type of things, your clients take notice, they refer folks to you, and it really just kind of takes your game to a next level. That's what I've seen happen in my practice over all these years, over 20 years in practice, and I really attribute it to being able to just kind of stand out, do things different, and still help my clients get out of pain. So, do you want to unravel the mysteries of low back pain? If you do, go ahead and click that button below and register now.